Hello and welcome. I am a Jahan with MS Excel VBA. In this lesson, I will show you how to use the index match formula instead of VLOOKUP formula because VLOOKUP have some disadvantage. One disadvantage we will not use the left side on VLOOKUP in the normally. I have alternate method to use the VLOOKUP to left side, but the normal guy not use the VLOOKUP on the left side. For example, we have this cities in here. We need the last name when you choose the VLOOKUP, and this is a lookup value when you choose the tables, and comma. The last name is a column C when you three column name and comma zero. The exact match, then the return is not available. In this normal VLOOKUP not using the left side. In case we use the index match formula, first of all, run the index and match. We add the equal sign and index. He asks the first array. We choose the array, then comma. This is a row number. We add the row number 4 and click enter. 1290. It's returned by 1290 and 19 because the 1219 is the row number 4. And here assign the column name. Column name is 1. Okay. The match formula. The lookup value is a 1008 comma. Here is the table range. We press enter. The 100 is a row 8. See here, because we starting A2, this it's returned by A. If I starting the A1, it's exact row. Okay, we use the combine this formula. We need to the last name. The this start from the equal to index. First I select the last name, the entire column, comma, use the match formula. The lookup value is the employee ID, comma, and select the entire column A. The lookup array, just press enter. See here, the last name automatically assigned. You just copy this formula and paste here, paste here, paste here. Just change this column B to C. We need the first name. We change this B to C. This is the first name. We need address. Just change the index column B to D. This is the address. In the call city is a column E. Just change B to E. We go to your city. In this employee list, we add the data validations. We go to the data validations, click the data validation and pick the list. This list sources, just add this all employee IDs and press enter. Click OK. When you click OK, this is a drop down. When you choose any drop down, your first name, cities, and everything is updated. Let's see here. When I select the city 1020, thus last name, first names, address, cities also updating. This is a guide how to you write the index match formula. First use the index. Index is a return range and match the lookup value. This is a lookup value. This range return range is the last name in the column K, and the lookup range is the column A and comma 0. When you add the comma 0, that's fine. I hope you understand the index match formula. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.